in nature is an activity that is not only important, but also deeply ingrained in the fabric of our existence. As we navigate the complexities of modern life, it is easy to become ensnared in the web of our daily routines, tethered to screens and confined within walls. Yet, amidst this hustle and bustle lies a profound necessity, the call of the wild, beckoning us to explore, to breathe, and to reconnect with the nature world around us. Hiking is more than just a recreational activity. It is a gateway to rejuvenation both for the body and the soul. When we step onto the trail, we embark on a journey of self-discovery, leaving behind the stresses and strains of urban life. In the embrace of nature, we find solace, clarity, and a renewed sense of purpose.
The Akers, Hamud.
For humans, hiking offers a multitude of physical and mental health
What a
benefits.
good girl.
The rhythmic cadence of our footsteps, the fresh air filling into our lungs, and the gentle embrace of sunlight upon our skin. These simple pleasures nourish our bodies and invigorate our spirits. Studies have shown that spending time in nature can reduce stress, anxiety, and depression, while also improving cardiovascular health, boosting immune function, and enhancing cognitive performance. In essence, hiking is a holistic prescription for well-being, offering a natural remedy for the alignments of modern living.
Get it.
But let us not forget our faithful companions on the trail, our canine friends who share in our love for adventure and exploration. For dogs, hiking is more than just an exercise. It is a sensory symphony, a tapestry of scents and sights that ignite their primal instincts and fulfills their deepest desires. As they bond through meadows, traverse rugged terrain, and plunge into the cold mountain streams, dogs experience a profound sense of freedom and joy that is palatable to all who behold them. Moreover, hiking strengthens the bond between humans and dogs, forging a connection built on trust, companionship, and shared experiences. In the wilderness, away from all the distractions of modern life, we communicate not through words, but through gestures, glances, and mutual understanding. As we navigate the trail together, our relationship deepens, transcending the boundaries of species to form a bond that is as enduring as the mountains themselves. Yet beyond these personal benefits, hiking in nature also fosters a deep sense of reverence and stewardship for the environment. As we witness the awe-inspiring beauty of towering peaks, cascading waterfalls, and verdant forests, we are reminded of our interconnectedness with the natural world and our responsibility to protect and preserve it for our future generations. Through hiking, we become not just observers, but active participants in the ongoing saga of Earth's conversation, advocating for sustainable environmental justice and the preservation of wild spaces. Hiking in nature is not merely a pastime or a leisure activity. It is a fundamental human need, a vital component of our physical, mental, and spiritual well being as we lace up our boots and leash our faithful companions. Let us heed the recall of the wild, embracing the opportunity to reconnect with nature, world, and rediscover the wonders that lie just beyond our doorstep. Together, let us embark on a journey of exploration, enlightenment, and transformation. For in the embrace of nature, we find not only ourselves, but also the true essence of what it means to be alive.